Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another thrift flip. I found this vase at Goodwill and I wasn't sold on the color, but it's huge. It's 22 inches tall. I knew that I could do something with it. I looked and I didn't see any markings, so I knew it wasn't some kind of, 14th century Ming vase. So I cleaned it up, removed the sticker, and I found this glossy white spray paint to transform this vase. Engraved into the jar is a tree with branches that surround the jar along with a bird. Once it's a solid color, the engraving will still be seen, but I think that'll add to the beauty of it. With two coats, I left it outside to dry for a few hours and then I inspected it and I seemed to have good coverage with the Rust-Oleum paint. And I was inspired by a two-tone ginger jar that had this really beautiful gold tip and gold around the bottom and underneath the top of the jar. And I don't want to put that much gold on it, but I'm going to start just by adding gold to the very top. Okay, this is how the lid looked once I pulled the tape and the plastic off. There was a little bleed through. So what I want to do is add these gold mirror tiles around here to disguise that, just so it looks nice and clean. I don't want to spray any more paint to gunk it up. I want it to look nice and clean. I used Gorilla Clear Grip glue to adhere the mirror tiles around the bottom of the top handle of the jar. Looks really beautiful, so I decided to add a row at the very bottom of the jar just to add a little more color and sparkle. This gold mirror looks fantastic on the bottom of this jar. This mirror looks so good on this ginger jar. I think I can even get away with adding another row on the lid since the mirror is so narrow. And here it is with some blooming branches inside. I think either way that I choose to style this, it'll look great. I think this was a successful thrift flip. Please let me know in the comments, what do you think of this jar makeover?